now, Darlene, and welcome back to my channel, Super at 60. I am so glad to see you guys. It's been a long time. It's been like 8 or 9 days. I just checked this morning. I thought, whoa. Well, we've been a tad bit busy. Yeah, my mom has not been well. She took a fall. She's 91 years old. She's about an hour and a half from us, so it's a drive, you know, back and forth. And we try to get there as much as possible, usually the weekends. But anyway, she's just not doing real well, and I do cover your prayers. I do. I know, you know, we have our own Super Prayer Warriors right here on this channel. If you ever have a prayer need, just let me know, super60@gmail.com, and I will get your prayer request to our Super Warriors, our prayer warriors. And if you'd like to become a prayer warrior, super60@gmail.com, just let me know. I'll put you on the list, and there's never any names exchanged, and it's all BCC on the email, so there's no emails exchanged either. It's private, but it's wonderful. I'm telling you. And those who are the prayer warriors on the actual team, the emails that I get, the rewards are just, they're so wonderful, really. So consider that if you would, and let me know. Anyway, I am on my way to the grocery store, and I'm going to go to Lidl this morning, and I'm going to take you with me. And now usually the music at Lidl is quite loud, so sometimes I have to, instead of talking, which I really prefer doing grocery hauls, I'm going to have to probably do a talk over. And that's okay. That's all right. I'm good with that, and I hope you guys are good with that too. So on the way to the grocery store, I had this idea. I thought, how about we have a super chopped challenge, a super chop challenge. Yeah, somehow or another I'm gonna find some kind of a good deal. There's got to be a good deal there somewhere, but whatever, I'm gonna have at least 5 items. I'm gonna pick 5 items out of my haul, and of those 5 items, and I'll show it to you when I get back, because I don't even know what they are right now. There will be some kind of protein for sure, but anyway, you guys, each one of you, get to create a recipe from these 5 items. Now you'll be able to add things to it, like I don't know, flour or sugar, or if you need stuff like that, or if you need an egg or any kind of seasonings, herbs, you can always add that, salt and pepper, absolutely. But you'll be given I'll try to be really careful with what I give you to make sure that it's substantial enough, and it's not like a whack out there, you know, just kind of really strange and weird. And like I said, you can add a few things. So I'm excited about that. I can't wait to get to the grocery store and then figure out what it is that I'm going to challenge you guys with. So more on that when I get back. And so I'm going to go now and grab my smoothie and head out the door, and I'll see you in just a little bit. All right, first things up, we have these tortilla chips. They are so delicious, and it's a great big bag. I bought 2 of them, and they were $2.99 a piece. This is part of their in-store bakery. You can see these things are so beautiful. Right on the bottom there are some beautiful sourdough loaves for $5. Great deal number 1 for $1.99. These strawberries were so beautiful. Every single package was just beautiful. I ended up coming home with 3 for my blueberry and strawberry yogurt smoothies in the morning. They're delicious. I'm picking up some green peppers here. We can always use those, and we do. We go through a lot of them. Here's some organic little snacky treats, some Cajun trail mix. And I think there's a cashew trail mix I picked up there as well. This one has a little bit of chocolate in it. I think Lou likes that one. And yeah, and then there was one more here. Yeah, there's the dried cranberry. This one is one of my favorite ones, so I think we'll enjoy all of those for the week. A little bit of orange juice. I use those for my smoothies as well, and sometimes I just like to have a glass of orange juice with some toast in the morning. This was a good deal, 2 of these for $5, and we can always use some mozzarella cheese. I make a lot of pizzas. This bacon, $7.99. Yes, it was on sale. It's family size, a little bit bigger, and it's the extra thick cut that I really like. And I'm going to pick up a little Polish kielbasa here. That was some potatoes and green beans, and bacon is so good. All right, deal of the day right here. Look at this, $1.29 family size pack of chicken breasts, and some of them were even marked 30% off. So yep, I stacked up 3 of them, and I think I'll share one of those with my daughter-in-law. I was looking for some organic sugar, and the only thing I could find was this golden sugar. I've never seen it before. It just says less processed. So we're gonna just give it a try. And I need some maple syrup. I'm gonna pick 2 of the smaller ones up. They really are high in price, aren't they? My goodness. And a little bit of garlic granules. I'm a little bit behind on those, so I picked up 2 of those. And some pita chips. These are the kind of things that we just like to snack on when we just want something salty, so the pita chips are very good. Yeah, I think they had, Lidl, I think they had 3 different flavors, and I just picked up the chive and garlic, and then the other one I think was a whole grain. This ketchup right here, this organic ketchup, is the best ketchup I think we have ever had. I always make sure I have plenty. I wanted some organic white rice. I found some of that today. I was so happy, and of course there's some arboro or risotto rice. I wanted to get some of that as well. And for $1.79, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give some of this organic spaghetti a try. Now it is whole wheat, and I'm not crazy about that, so we'll see how that goes. I don't know how that's gonna go in this house. And what you're looking at right now, they had this whole wall just full of all their beautiful Easter things. Look at these eggs, aren't they gorgeous? I just think those would be so pretty in a pretty basket or a beautiful glass bowl on your Easter dinner table. It just, the wall of Easter treats just went on and on and on. It was unbelievable, and all the Valentine's things are long gone. Look at these. I adore these cast iron pots. They're so beautiful. They're enameled and they hold up so well. I think I own 2 of them. I like that light blue color. I think that's my favorite, but I didn't buy any today. All right, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of lunch meat here, and we like that turkey breast. So I think I bought 2 of those today. Yeah. Lou takes a sandwich to lunch every day, and so we needed some cheese as well. Provolone is our cheese of choice. That or mozzarella sometimes is good if you can get it in slice form. And here I'm getting a little bit of yogurt for my smoothies, and that's pretty much all I use that yogurt for. Here was another great deal today. The half and halves were $1.99, almost half price for the half and half. So I did pick up 2 of those. I use those for many, many things, and we like that in our coffee as well. And something else were the heavy whipping creams. I use that for so many things, as well as my smoothies in the morning, and for sauces and all kinds of things, gravies. We go through a lot of it. And that, of course, once again, for my smoothie, I have to have the little whipped cream topper on top, just kind of like a little kid. Now this kefir, or kefir, some people refer to it, this is that cultured low-fat milk probiotics. I've been wanting to try this. This is a strawberry flavor. Now I'll tell you the truth, I did put it in my cart, but I put it back because I looked at it, it was really super high in sugar. And here I'm gonna get my milks. This is still the best place for us around for milk. It was $1.77, I believe it's $1.87 now, so I picked up, I generally pick up 2. We go through a lot of milk in our house. Eggs, passed right by them today. $4.99, $4.86. Nope, I'll do without. And here was another good deal today for these raviolis, these cheese raviolis. 2 bags for $5, and you can do just all kinds of stuff with that. I make a ravioli lasagna, actually. That's pretty darn good. And another big bag, and this was a super big bag for $7.99, a huge bag of mango chunks. And that with my strawberries and blueberries makes a wonderful, wonderful smoothie for the morning. That smoothie means a lot to me. It really does. It just starts out my day. And again, here's my frozen blueberries. And you'll see that I also pick up a bag of frozen strawberries, even though I got the fresh strawberries, which I have been using lately, but I do love the frozen strawberries too. And a little bit of broccoli, just to have, as a side, a quick side on a quick, weeknight meal is perfect. Here I'm gonna pick up a few peas, and there's one little bag back there, but I do like to keep those in my freezer for my chicken pot pies, which I really do make a lot of, and any kind of cream sauces with chicken or even beef, I can just toss that right in. These scrub daddies and scrub mommies, my goodness, I have been using those for years in my kitchen. If you haven't tried them yet, try one. They are wonderful for around the whole house. These Mediterranean vegetable snacks, they are so good. They're very salty, not overly, but just right. And they're organic and they're very delicious. This is for Lou, always on our weekly list for his, he takes what he calls a wrap with him to lunch each day with the lunch meat on it. And speaking of wraps, that is a wrap. And I will see you guys back home. All right, now here are the 5 items that I am picking for you guys for our super chop recipe. All right, we got chicken breast, mixed vegetables, tomato puree, sour cream, and chicken broth. Whew, okay, I am back from the grocery store. That was fun. It really was fun. Yeah, it's always fun when you find good deals. I was happy. I was pretty happy at Lidl today. I think they did a great job. Lidl is a sister company, if you will, to Aldi. So sometimes I find that one week if I go to Lidl and I find, say, their eggs are a better price, three something. I don't know, maybe a week later, my Aldi will have something very similar to that. Oh, my feet are killing me. Honestly, I was on my feet and my back. I gotta sit down. So don't be forlorn if you just think, well, I never can get deals like that because we don't have a Lidl. But if you have an Aldi, and then again, if you don't have either one of those, you always have maybe a Walmart nearby. And I think their prices are pretty comparable. So, all right, so let's go over those 5 things again that you have to use in your recipe for this game of Super Chopped. Super Chopped, I love it. I think that's so cute. All right, chicken breast. Chicken breast, you have to use chicken breast. You have to use sour cream. You have to use some tomato puree, okay? And you have to use some chicken stock of some kind in some amount. And your vegetable will be the frozen mixed veggies, okay? So you can add things if you have to. If you want to add something like, flour, say, for instance, if you need flour for something. Or if you want to add a potato or something. Or rice, if you wanted to add rice to it, that would be fine too. If you want to add a little bit of cheese to it, you know, whatever. I'm giving all the ideas away here, but you create your own ideas. But these 5 things must be in the Super Chop Challenge, okay? So I am very excited to see, and please play along because I think you'll have a great time. Go through, if you're late to the party here, go through some of the comments and see if you can maybe, I don't know, maybe it'll jar your memory some way and you'll think of a recipe, or just, you know, I know we've got some great cooks on this channel. I know it because you guys send me recipes. You tell me about stuff. You tell me about meals that you made the night before that you're all excited about and that. And I have got some of the best emails and over there on the community tab. Boy, don't we have fun over there? Hi, I just want to give a shout out to all my guys and gals over there on the community tab. You're always there. And you are so much fun. You make my day. You really do. Yeah, so in between videos, we play over on the community tab. So if you're not over there, come join us. We have a good time. All right, thanks again for joining me. I hope you had a good time, and please play our challenge here, our recipe challenge here with these 5 ingredients from the grocery haul. Thanks for being here today. I'm Darlene. I'll see you soon. Bye now. And Lord bless.